Hello there again. So I'm really excited to share with you what I've just discovered here. So now, as a second task assignment in week 2, I'm going to add a resource. So I'm going to turn editing on. Okay. As you can see, I have already added the activity. So now add an activity or resource, and that's what I'm going to do. And here you have a list of activities. Now the resources are down here. And I thought this was pretty cool. A page enables a teacher to create a web page resource using the text editor. So it can display images, sound, video, web links, and embedded codes. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. And guess what? I created a Padlet. So I'm going to name this listening activity because I'm also taking a MOOC on EVO about teaching listening skills. So I created this activity and I'm going to share with you the activity. So what we're going to do is I'm going to get to Padlet. Let's see here. Okay. Sorry. Yes, I opened it. So what I did is I created this Padlet with the listening activity. Here it is. I don't know if you're familiar, but it's a nice tool. And this how to share this. So there share and export or embed. I'm going to embed in your blog or website. So here WordPress or card, let's say. We have to copy the link. Copy and paste this code in the text editor of your blog or HTML. So this is what we want to copy. Okay, so copied. Now we go back to our page. I'll write here again a description. I'll write funny listening because it is funny. Listening activity. And here, because the content is where you're going to see these two arrows here. This is where the HTML source editor. So I'm going to paste here and update. So there it is. Now I'm going to leave everything else as it is. Save and return to course. Okay, so now I have here the listening activity. Let's see what it looks like to students. Okay, I have the Bohemian Rhapsody where we worked with the blue button. And now the listening activity. And here it is. You can scroll. Okay, here that there are pictures to talk about. And then there's the video over here, sorry. While listening, so what you should do while you're listening, you watch the video. So I can click here and play. Of course, I can make it bigger. This is a great oh wait, I have to. Oh, it's playing. I have to get rid of this. Okay, yeah, I don't want this anymore. Oh, sorry, I couldn't stop it. Oops, sorry. I guess I closed the page, but you get the sense of what happened, right? I can go back to to my page here. Yes, sorry. So this is what it looks like to students, and you will listen and it will get to the Padlet. Hope you enjoyed and try.